Hello friends, today we would like to share our experience of learning English
and passing IELTS exam. The reason why I started studying English was a film that I watched in my childhood and that inspired me to study abroad, especially in US. What about you?
Well, I've been learning English since 2005 and the main reason is that I simply didn't want to wait for my favorite TV series to come up with subtitles. So I decided to learn English and watch them in English too. My real experience of learning this language is associated with NIScience program, which is based on 4 main skills: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Maди, do you consider this program has approached you to gain your IELTS score?
Frankly speaking, yes. Firstly, listening had taught me how to identify the main idea of the text and simultaneously write it on paper. For example, tasks like filling the gaps and true-false are testing your skill. Secondly, reading, I think, is the most crucial skill in the English language and IELTS as a whole. There are 2 most important methods: it's scanning and skimming. Each person identifies which is the most appropriate and the fastest way to read the text and get the best IELTS score.
Besides that, writing and speaking taught us how to critically analyze the information that we receive and then come up with the right answer to it. For instance, we had an experience of working with foreign teachers when we had to pass our ideas to them using only English, without using Russian or Kazakh languages. Also, the topics that we discussed on our lessons broadened our horizons so that we could use this information in our project work on subject global perspectives.
Over the course of the program, we have covered a wide variety of topics. For example, I can mention topic of natural disasters that was firstly covered in our English lessons and only then in geography, that made us better understand the topic and better understand that phenomena.
Oh yes, Maди, I agree with you. There is a strong integration between English and science. Now we are able to acquire the knowledge that we gained from English in our A-level subjects that are taught in English.
From the point of my personal experience, I want to highlight several tips that will help you to study English and which I followed myself. First of all, surround yourself with English content. Watch movies in English, read authentic books, and watch and listen TEDx. And second tip I wanted to give you is to stop translating words from English to Russian and Kazakh. It's better to look up their meaning in dictionaries and memorize it.
Talking about IELTS, if you want to save your time, don't read the whole passage. Read the questions first, look for keywords, and they will lead you to the right answer. Also, mind mapping makes difference. Collect and organize your ideas, and only then start writing. Because if you stop in the middle, you will forget all of your ideas and waste your time. And I used all these tips myself, and that's how we got 8 on IELTS.